Welcome back, superstars! Are you ready to test your math knowledge? Let's dive in and see how many you can get right. Let's go! What is 23 plus 37? It's B, 60. Adding 23 and 37 gives 60. Subtract 28 from 65. It's C, 37. Subtracting 28 from 65 leaves 37. What is 7 multiplied by 6? It's B, 42. 7 times 6 is 42. Divide 81 by 9. It's C, 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9. What is half of 50? It's D, 25. Half of 50 is 25. 12 times 5 equals... It's C, 12 times 5 is 60. Add 48 and 26. It's B, 74. Adding 48 and 26 gives 74. What is 90 minus 43? It's C, 47. Subtracting 43 from 90 gives 47. 8 times 9 equals? It's A, 72. 8 times 9 is 72. What is 30 divided by 5? It's C, 6. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. How many minutes are there in 3 hours? It's C, 180. Each hour has 60 minutes, so 60 times 3 equals 180. What fraction of 24 is 8? It's B, 1/3. 8 out of 24 is 1/3. If a triangle has 3 sides, how many sides do 5 triangles have in total? It's D, 15. 5 triangles have 3 sides each, so 5 times 3 equals 15. What is 36 plus 44? It's C, 80. Adding 36 and 44 gives 80. Subtract 18 from 52. It's B, 34. Subtracting 18 from 52 leaves 34. What is 5 times 12? It's C, 5 times 12 is 60. Divide 45 by 5. It's D, 9. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. How many edges does a cube have? It's C, 12. A cube has 12 edges. If you have $2.50 and spend $1.20, how much do you have left? It's A, $1.30. Subtracting $1.20 from $2.50 leaves $1.30. 7 multiplied by 8 equals it's C, 56. 7 times 8 is 56. What is 40 plus 33? It's B, 73. Adding 40 and 33 gives 73. Subtract 17 from 45. It's A, 28. Subtracting 17 from 45 leaves 28. What is 4 times 11? It's C, 44. 4 times 11 is 44. 56 divided by 8 is it's B, 7. 56 divided by 8 is 7. How many days are there in 4 weeks? It's B, 28. 4 weeks have 28 days, 7 days per week. What fraction of 10 is 4? It's C, 2/5. 4 out of 10 is 2/5. If a square has 4 sides, how many sides do 3 squares have in total? It's C, 12. 3 squares have 4 sides each, so 3 times 4 equals 12. What is the sum of 57 and 23? It's B, 80. Adding 57 and 23 gives 80. What is 8 less than 100? It's C, 92. Subtracting 8 from 100 leaves 92. What is 2 more than 89? It's A, 91. Adding 2 to 89 gives 91. Multiply 4 by 12. It's C, 48. 4 times 12 equals 48. Divide 36 by 6. It's B, 6. Dividing 36 by 6 equals 6. Add 25 and 13. It's D, 38. Adding 25 and 13 gives 38. If you have 12 candies and give away 5, how many are left? It's C, 7. You have 7 candies left after giving away 5. Subtract 16 from 30. It's B, 14. Subtracting 16 from 30 leaves 14. What is 20 plus 17? It's C, 37. Adding 20 and 17 gives 37. Fantastic job, superstar! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math challenges. Thanks for playing, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.